Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's me Nichelle and day 2 in Santa Cruz after being married, and straight away just came to make some tea because I was feeling a bit hungry, and because last night I hadn't had anything, so thought of making a cup of tea, of course, and just got freshened up. And also Ashford's dad got us some breakfast today, and let's see what we have. I think it's masala dosa, so he just got us two of these. How sweet. So just gonna have this for breakfast. Actually, I don't have anything, I mean, like very heavy, sort of like just bread or chapati I like in the mornings. But as he got, I'm gonna have this. I prefer eating it like around 10:30 or 11. That's when I have something heavy, like something from Tato or so. So here is the masala dosa, and I feel it's way bigger. It's nice. I'm happy that he got us. Also, just putting some cup of tea for us and just gonna enjoy our breakfast for now. And here's the breakfast. Gonna have this really quick. Currently I've been waking up very late. It's currently 9:30ish, and just came out and I saw all these buffaloes just walking into the field, and it was such a nice moment. I mean, little things to capture. And yeah, today evening we may go out for a family dinner as well, and for lunch we again ordered something from out because we haven't really cooked anything. Welcome to my vlog channel. So we are just out. It's currently 8:30 and we are going for a family dinner out to George River Cove, like just we do every year. I mean, like ever since like 3 years probably. So we are gonna go for a family dinner today, and it's our first dinner after getting married. So it's currently 23rd of December and we are on our way to the restaurant. So yes, that's what I had to say. It's getting so dark. I mean, like we are currently late. It's like we should have reached at least at 8, but never mind. And I'm also very hungry, so I can't wait to like dig in because I'm so hungry. I can't even tell you. I haven't eaten after like about at 3. So yes, my outfit for the day is just casual. I mean, like semi-formal casual look. I just got this brown dress with my MK bag and with my watch that I usually wear. So yeah, see you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
These are so good. Anyone who visits here must try these cheesy mushrooms. And of course, had a little candlelight dinner with family at George River Cove and just took some photos and videos of us. Of course, I just took half of the video of the family, the others were just around dancing on the floor because it was a vibe. Like, look at this right here. And also got myself a fruit punch. It was just a mango and orange sort of a juice. And also had to order some mussels because those are my favorite, and also some prawns as well. Tawa fry is my favorite go-to. And here are my new shoes from Zara lately. I had got these a couple of 2 months back, and here is my outfit. Of course, I forgot to take some video, so I'm taking it now. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the morning. Bye, guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. Good morning. I just woke up around 9:30ish to 10, and it's currently very nice and bright outside. So firstly, I just like came out and put my clothes for laundry. I mean to wash, and also had to make some tea, of course. And we just like grabbed a couple of things of grocery, just got some juice, and these hot dogs are good to try. I have tried one and I have loved it so much, so I got one of these. Also did the bed, cleared everything, put some new sheets, and of course loving the vibe. Hello, it's lunchtime and we just ordered some fish thali from Tato for the first time. I mean, I'm gonna try their thali. So here is it, everything nice. So I can't wait to like have, because I'm really hungry. It's already like 2:15. So I'm gonna have this while I see you later, because I don't know what are my plans for the evening. So yeah, gonna have my lunch now because I'm really very hungry. So let's go. And also my plans on the 24th of December, just mopping and cleaning the house because I love to do that. So why not? Why will I not do it? I love to do such things, guys. I like being clean. So yeah, these are my plans for the day. Hello. So I was supposed to like go out, but I currently just fell asleep after having food. I don't know how is it in Goa. I mean, like just fall asleep. So I took a very long nap around like 2.5 hours, and now it's currently 6:30. So we are just going out. I'm just hungry as well. So let's see what I can find. So just going to, I mean, like just exploring Santa Cruz, Benjamin. So let's go there. And I'm like really very hungry. I need some good cup of tea. So let's see where can I find it. So yeah, let's go. This is my outfit. Just wore something basic. I mean, like this pants, this top, and my ballerinas. So yeah, that's just a basic casual outfit. And also look at this crib right here from Santa Cruz. I just live nearby here and I thought of like showing you guys how nice it is. Also similar to what we usually do. So I just came out and I was really hungry, so I like wanted to like eat something nice. I specifically came to return one thing from West Side. I just had about 2 days to return it. So I thought like why not just go. I haven't like come out in about 3-4 days, so we thought of coming right here. So we came into West Side and I want to go return my stuff, and I spotted these plants right here which are absolutely my favorite. Also West Side home section is one of my favorite things ever. I would definitely get something or the other. Also this cutlery things right here is so good, but I would definitely not buy it because it gets rusty soon if you like don't use it that much, or if you like don't stay. So why not? So why should I even buy it? So thought of like not buying anything for today and like just going home with nothing empty handed. So here is the west side section, everything really nice and pretty. I like the gold detailing of this, it was really cute. So yeah, I had to like show you this. So came into KFC as I love wings from KFC Goa. I mean, like, it's very flavorful. Hey guys, Christmas ready. So just going for midnight mass and got dressed for Christmas. This is a new dress that I got from London. I mean, like, look how cute it is. It's a bit loose from here, but never mind, I don't have anything else to change. So just wore some accessories and here is it. I hope I'm looking nice. I mean, I haven't done anything to my hair. I haven't even washed my hair instead, but it was straight ever since that day. But I'm just gonna take it like this and have a quick shower tomorrow. So yes, that's it for the day and let's go for Christmas mass. So yeah, let's go. Why Topsy? Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So we just got home and I'm literally just craving coffee. So hopefully it's gonna make me a good coffee now. So let's go in and have a nice cup of tea. I mean, something, because I'm really very hungry. So let's go. It's currently like 1:30 and Topsy is here. Topsy is just asking for food. Hey Topsy. And thank you so much for watching. That was it with the video. Please to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.